There are many potential causes of headaches, and the best way to treat a headache will depend on the underlying cause. Here are some general tips that may help to alleviate a headache. Drink plenty of fluids, especially water. Frequently, dehydration can lead to headache pain. Try to relax and reduce stress. Stress and tension can cause headaches, so finding ways to relax can be helpful. Take over-the-counter pain medication. Painkillers that are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen, can ease headache discomfort. Warm or cold compress may be applied to the forehead. This can assist to ease pain and reduce inflammation. Try to get some rest or sleep. A good night's sleep can help to reduce headache pain and improve overall well-being. Avoid triggering factors, such as caffeine, alcohol, and certain foods that may contribute to headaches. Practice good posture. Poor posture can contribute to tension headaches, so try to sit and stand up straight. If you experience frequent or severe headaches, it is important to speak with a healthcare provider. They can help to determine the cause of your headaches and recommend appropriate treatment.